Are you currently utilizing Amazon's ad platform? And if so, what is your favorite type of ad to use? Yes, I'm using Amazon advertising. There's only two ways to get to the top of the page and to get sales on Amazon. It's through ads or organic. You're not going to be able to get organic either without external traffic or without doing ads. So you're going to need to drive people to your listing in some way in order to get those sales. Once Amazon sees the sales, they'll show you on the top. So of course I use Amazon advertising. And my approach is a little bit differently. My approach depends on the stage that I'm using it. If I'm using it in the beginning, starting off an auto campaign, I have all the right keywords in my listing. So that way, the auto campaign is generating just a lot of different long tail and short tail keywords. And it's also doing competitor ASINs. And it's just trying to find what they think is the best match for my listing, wherever I'll make money on. And when they see other keywords doing well, they'll keep generating more and more keywords. Auto campaign, I always keep on. My approach with ads is basically, it either has to be making you money. We look at it, is it making you money? And if it's not making you money, it still might have a purpose, but the purpose has to be of increasing your organic rank. So we look at the keyword and we say, okay, you know what? We're in the 20th spot for this keyword today. And we might be spending on this search term for a week straight, getting a lot of orders and a lot of sales, but we're losing money. But if we see that it went from the organic 20th spot to the 10th spot, later on that week, then we know that it's working. If we see that we're just staying in the same spot and we're not gaining any traction at all, and we're not making money off that keyword, there's no point of it. So it has to either be making you money or increasing your organic rank.